welcome back to my garden. Today we have been really busy. I have just planted out some sweet corn, so I'm just going to show you what I have been doing and talk to you a little bit more about it. So far this is what I have done. I have moved the sweet corns from inside of the greenhouse and I've planted them out. So this is how many we've got. Not doing too bad. We just planted them out. We'll see what happens. This side here we have potatoes, and this side over here I have some rhubarb, which has just gone through one harvest. So I think we'll have another one quite soon, I reckon. But that's the sweet corn for now. I don't know if I have them enough spaced apart, but we'll see what happens. I think they should be fine. I hope so. We'll see what happens. So in here in the greenhouse, which was the first greenhouse I got, I have planted some broccoli. So we'll see how that goes in the next 7 to 10 days. And down here as well, I still have some sweet corn that have yet to pop. So we'll leave them to it for now. And then at the front here, this is what I've been doing. So I have been planting out some lettuce that my neighbour gave me. I still have more to plant out. I have to give them a dose of Miracle-Gro later just to kind of help them come on, and that's the rest of it there. I have another set of potatoes here. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dig this one out and I'm going to put her in a pot of her own so that this tree here has more chance to grow. But this thing here is after coming up as well, which I have no idea what it is. So if anybody knows what that is, I'd like to know. I was going to take it out, but I think I might just leave it and see how she grows. Yeah, I'll just leave them there. But yeah, so for now I'm just going to take this one out and replant her into a pot of her own. I also have done the blueberries as well down there. I gave it a bigger pot rather. Yes, that's pretty much everything. Some things have started to bloom in my garden already. My rose bush has come on lovely, and my fuchsias at the back have come on as well. So we've got a nice little burst of colour there. And then this avocado plant has gone really big all of a sudden, so I'm hoping we might actually get fruit on this one because the leaves have started to come out. So I don't know if you know, but with avocados, the fruit drops. You get like a line that'll come out and it'll just have like an avocado ball on it. So we'll see what happens. But I reckon this one might be able to, because she's getting good vines that started to come out on her. So you never know. Maybe this year or next year something might actually grow on her with any luck. But she's doing well. And then these two over here have started to really come on as well. They're in like an opportune spot for sunshine. And then we have my other little greenhouse, which has my tomatoes in it, which they have really come on. But my God, the amount of water they drink. Like they get, I think at the time it's about 3 o'clock now in the evening. The sun has started to come in on this side, but it comes around at the back of the house. But they have got like the best sunshine this side of the house. So they are fine where they are. And I have my Diplodena in here as well, but I think I'm going to move her out because I don't know if she's getting enough sunshine. I like them to get a lot of sunshine. So I might leave her there for a day or two and see how she gets on. And then the peony rose I have here as well. Might move her out just to make sure she's getting the optimum amount of sunshine that she needs. Getting her just trying to maybe straighten herself out a bit because she's leaning to one side a little bit. Obviously it's where the sun is coming in and they're, you know, going towards the sun. So yeah, I'm just going to dig that other fuchsia out now and put her in a plant pot of her own. I've just dug this plant here out of one of my rose bushes. Now I know these are quite a common plant, but in the autumn, and if they grow really high, they're absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to replant this one now and see how we get on. Come on, Saoirse, let's go. Them done. So I've gone to put some more soil into my rose bush. I have replanted out this one here. Again, still have no idea what it's actually called, but I know it's quite common. And then these are my dahlias, which are coming on quite nicely. I have just checked underneath there. I still have a load of bulbs from an Asian lily, so hopefully they might start sprouting soon. And everything else seems to be going okay and in orderly fashion. There's my Dipladena there, she's coming up nicely, and that's my peony rose, which is also coming up nicely. Another dahlia I have in here, which I haven't seen much movement out of her yet, so I don't know what the story is with her. I don't know if she is gonna bloom at all. I'd like for her to, but I don't know. This is a slow one, but we'll see what happens. Again, I'm still going to give her all the care and attention she needs, because you never know, she might bloom yet and maybe be the most prettiest of them all. Just a late bloomer. I also have planted out a little rose bush that I found, so I was like, I'll give that one another chance. So I'll put her up here with the rest of them, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. There is a root there for an Asian lily, so hopefully that one's about to start. Lemon tree is coming on really nicely. I'll probably have to replant her again soon. Ever since I started putting her outside, her leaves have come on really massively as well, so you never know, she might bear fruit soon. I need to repot this I was going to say avocado, but she's not an avocado, she is an aloe vera. I need to pull her out soon because she's getting a bit it's too small for her in there now. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this garden of mine. I think I'm going to leave it there for the day because I'm absolutely knackered. I've been at it all morning, and yeah, that's where we're at.